What's up, guys? Here at work, working on a Chevy Traverse 2016. Has a high purge flow code evap system, and just wanted to give you a little quick tip. These purge solenoids, pretty common issue with these things, but a little quick indication to tell if it's bad is just blow through it. If it's leaking, then you know you have a leaking purge solenoid. And you take the new one, do the same thing, and it's holding pressure. You could also use like a vacuum pump or something like that too, but I like to do this real quick little diag, and we'll just put this new one in and she'll be on her way.